Hello everyone, I wanted to give an update on our MaxAuto front tires for our riding lawn tractor. These are actually almost 1 year old and they are still looking and working pretty good. They are a great fit for our lawn tractor and I feel that they are great replacement tires. Just make sure to match your old tire specs. So you need to make sure to match your tire height, your tire width, and the wheel diameter. These tires are tubeless. They have good traction and are holding up well. This tractor is actually stored outside because we haven't had a chance to set up a shed for it yet, but these tires are exposed to the elements and doing good with that. It takes a little effort to replace your old tires with these, but that's just how it goes with changing out old tires. We use these to mow tall grass in our pasture and also to cut the grass around our house in our normal yard. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you to show you how they have held up. I hope it helps you make a decision. Thanks for watching and best wishes.